what's up everybody, in this post I can tell you how to make 3D animated Instagram post. So nowadays it's very unique because everybody put good looking Instagram post but nobody put animated, right? So animated Instagram post very trending nowadays, so I can tell you step by step how I can make. So firstly, choose a right format. Okay, so in the starting I choose a right format, so 1080 by 1350 size are perfect because they are long enough, good height in that kind of format. Okay, and after that you think about what is the animation you want to show in that particular post. So for example, in my case I am using some crockery, some waving crockery in the air and suddenly break down. So I think when crockery down, they out of the post and break on the other wall, right, like this. You check it out. Right, so that kind of effects, yeah. So now I can move to the next my computer screen. I'm showing you to how I do this kind of animation in After Effects software. Yeah, so I use After Effects software for that particular Instagram animation.
Hey, what's up everybody? Yeah, so this is my computer screen. Okay, I show you to what I achieved. So this is a crockery, it's a waving. Okay, water. Yeah, it's a waving and in the air, moving in the air and suddenly break down. And the interesting part, they break to the next wall, someone else wall, right? So that kind of effect are cool, right? So this is a 3D animated post basically. So in the starting, how you can make it? Simply press Ctrl N and choose the right size 1080 by 1350. Okay, and 15-second post are okay. Click here, okay, and use a background as per your expectation. At present I use maroon background. Okay, and now you need some animated objects. Like at present I'm using this crockery. So that kind of graphics you make in Maya and 3D Max kind of software, any 3D software. Okay, so right now I do keying. This is render on the green screen, so I do the keying. Okay, and yeah, yeah, it's moving. Yeah, it's moving and falling up in the air, but now they falling down in the same background. No, so it is good if you're using a different background. So I use a snapshot of the Instagram like this. Okay, so you can capture the snapshot according to your desire. You capture on your phone also, right, and put here. Simply, it's a very easy, right, and set accordingly. And cut down here and this layer down here. Okay, and yeah, so this is the snapshot basically. This is the snapshot. Okay, so people are think this is another guy wall, but it's the part of your post. Okay, so in the starting here the maroon background is okay. You put some text, 3D Insta post, by the way, 3D animated Instagram post. Yeah, and choose 50, not okay. Yeah, so this is the font. And this layer, text layer, also go down. Okay guys, okay, so I press 0, I show it to you. Okay, so the clock in the air and suddenly break down. Yeah, right. So okay guys, so this is the effect. Easily make within I think it's take 3 minutes, right? But the main important thing, the 3D object you can make in Maya and 3D, right? But compositing are very simple, so it's completely depend on your idea. If you have a good idea, good vision, your post will be, you know, like a crazy. Yeah, the clock in the air and suddenly break down. Yeah, right. So okay guys, so this is the effect.
And don't worry guys, if you want any kind of animation, we are here to help you. You kindly check my website johntydesign.com. Right, so this website deal in any kind of graphic design you require and any type of video you want. Okay, and this Instagram post we can help you. Our charges are very affordable and quality is really high. Okay, firstly I understand your idea, then we can make the graphics according to your desire. Okay, so see you. Yeah, thank you. And by the way, my contact details in the description. Thank you.